Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you how you can turn a big thrifted shirt into a boxy dress. That's today on Refashioning with Rachel. First, cut the sleeves off of your shirt and set them aside for now. Then draw a straight line right underneath the collar of your shirt. You want this line to be at least half of the width of your upper body, plus at least 1 inch for seam allowance. So if your shirt is not wide enough at the top, you can make this line further down below the armholes of the shirt. Then draw 2 lines connecting the edge of the armhole to the bottom corner of the shirt and cut. And just double check at this point that this distance here is at least half as wide as your upper body plus 1 inch for seam allowance. Then pin the sides of these 2 pieces with right sides together. It is more important to make sure these pieces line up at the bottom than at the top. And sew. Start at the bottom so you can make sure the hems are perfectly lined up as you sew. Now serge or zigzag the raw edge. If you use a serger, leave the tail at the bottom of the dress so that you can use an embroidery needle to feed it back through the stitching and finish it off nicely. And now iron the seam to make it look nice and crisp. And now we have a nicely hemmed skirt that we barely had to do any work for. If necessary, trim off the top of the dress to make it even, and set it aside for now. Take your sleeves and draw in a line that is perpendicular to the top fold of the sleeve and cut. If you don't have a big drafting triangle like I have, you can just use a big book to get the right angle. Line up the 2 sleeves together and line up the skirt just underneath them, and make a mark half an inch away from the side seams of the skirt on either sleeve. Cut along the underarm seam up to that point. On the front of the sleeve, make a mark 9 inches down from the fold. On the back of the sleeves, make a mark 5 inches away from the fold. Turn one sleeve inside out and put the right side out sleeve inside the inside out sleeve so that right sides are together, and pin the sleeves together at the marks that we just made. Then sew from each of these marks to the bottom of the sleeve. Now separate the sleeves. And iron the seam open. Continue to iron up through the opening, folding back the raw edge 1/2 inch. If you are enjoying this video so far, please like and subscribe. It really helps my channel grow. Now fold in and tuck under the raw edge from each side of the seam, and you can iron it in place, but I found it kind of tricky to get the iron into these little spaces, so I just took it over to the sewing machine and folded it under as I sewed. And sew up along each side of the seam, tucking in the raw edge. Here I'm lining up the fold with the side of my presser foot. Line up the skirt of the dress with the bodice, and make a mark on the center back of the skirt. Then pin the bodice to the skirt with right sides together, lining up the center front and the center back and the side seams. And sew. If there's any discrepancy between the width of the bodice and the skirt opening, just gather it in a little pleat at the side seams. After this, you can either serge or zigzag the raw edges, and then the basic construction of the dress is finished. But since the style of this dress reminded me of modern Japanese style clothing, I wanted to add a little Lolita vibe with a bow, but this is completely optional. Cut out a rectangle out of 2 layers of scrap fabric. You want to get the biggest rectangle possible, although exact measurements are not important. You can get a feel for how the bow is going to look simply by pinching it in the middle. Draw in a 2-inch gap and sew around the edges of this rectangle. Trim off the corners. And turn it right side out through the opening that you left in the stitching. Use something pointy to poke out the corners. And flatten it out with an iron. And sew around the edges. Cut out another piece of fabric from your scraps. It should be 2.5 inches wide, and it only needs to be about 3 or 4 inches long. Fold down and iron 1/2 inch from the top of the strip, and then fold up and iron 1/2 inch from the bottom of the strip. Then fold the whole thing in half and iron. And sew it down on either side of the strip. Now pinch your bow in the center and wrap it with this strip. And sew the strip together in the back. Trim off the excess. And place your bow where you want it on the dress and stitch it down. And after the bow is attached, this project is finished. So here's a reminder of how it looked before. And here's how it looks now. But I actually was second guessing the bow, so I took it off. And here's how it looks now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and comment if you did. And have a beautiful day.